Okay, no, now you gotta do it. There you go.
My fingers here.
They are cleaning up the fire chicken to go home to its rightful owner for a while. And rest in the garage for the winter. But yeah, they're getting it all prettied up. Okay, we will be back. This car was all wet sanded down, the 800,000 grit, and then all buffed back up again. And you can see how the shine is coming out and how smooth it is. And the stripes, don't even really feel them. So yeah, you can have a look at the link at the bottom of this page. There is a buffer that's very similar to what we use, but priced quite a bit cheaper. But I hear